Atomy is a distribution company. The essence of distribution is providing good and low-priced products to consumers. We have the best quality products in the world. We source low-priced products to sell through Atomy worldwide sales networks. The first important thing is quality. When it comes to selecting a product, Atomy selects ones that are truly absolute quality. And Atomy is about providing products at unbeatable, absolute prices. But maintaining these absolute prices takes a tremendous amount of effort. In order to do so, Atomy is revolutionizing its internal management system. When you meet Atomy, what you have to consider first is whether or not it would be profitable for you to use Atomy's products. That's the thing you have to look at first. By the principle of consumer profit, it's profitable for consumers to use Atomy products. So, getting commission from the business comes in second. Just switching to Atomy products itself is profitable. So, contractors' relatives, neighbors, or families should really switch to Atomy products, and then they can save $200 to $500 a month. In a way, it's a great way to share the economic gospel for being able to use better quality products. It's true that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, doing activities offline has become very difficult. To match the conditions on the ground, Atomy quickly switched its activities to online. But even after the COVID-19 pandemic comes to an end, we will continue to utilize the effectiveness of online activities. So, instead of just waiting for the COVID-19 crisis to end, please try your best to get used to online methods if you're not already familiar with them. Even after COVID-19 is over, we will continue to use online methods as useful tools. So, in the spirit of genius of the and, we choose both online and offline. Instead of just one of the two, we're going to use both methods. In fact, the speed of online activities is much faster than offline ones. In some ways, with offline activities, we increase membership according to the principle of addition. But online, we can increase our membership by the principle of multiplication. That's why it's able to scale infinitely at a very fast speed. So, I'm saying that it would be better for you to focus more on the efficiency of online methods. But we don't have to be discouraged from offline activities. There are many stores that have now gone out of business. There's an extremely heartbreaking situation where people have had to take money from their retirement savings to pay off their debts and ended up having to close their businesses. Those people are between a rock and a hard place. And what I think we should do is to reach out to those who are wandering about with the sense of purpose as angels of light towards those who are wandering about, lost and confused. Our business is one that makes people dream of making $100,000 a month. We are definitely in the distribution business, and we do sell products. But the essence of our business isn't just selling products. Why should we sell these products? In order to have confidence in this business, you must check the price and quality of the product. You have to be sure that you can use this product for the rest of your life. At this quality and at this price, you have to be confident in recommending them to anybody. At this quality and price, you can be sure that no matter who you share these products with, they will repurchase them and continue to use them for the rest of their lives. And that is why we put our products at the forefront. Though our business puts its products at the forefront, the essence of our business isn't simply to sell our products. Through these daily necessities, through absolute quality, absolute price products, you're sharing your own success with other people. With the same earnest desire through which you achieved success, you have to share this message of success to your relatives, to those around you, and to those who are in need. You have to share this message of success. You are selling success. I've been saying this to our leaders since the early days of Atomy. Atomy sells absolute quality, absolute price products, but Atomy's most representative product is our successful members. And I've been saying that from the very start. Share your success with others. Ladies and gentlemen, you must write a life scenario. Because when it comes to success, dreaming of success comes first. One of the biggest reasons why so many people can't succeed is because they don't think about succeeding. Of course, it's not easy to be determined to succeed. It's not easy to resolve to be rich. But when it comes to courage, it doesn't mean having no fear, but confronting it. If you want to be a successful person in life, you must have courage. Only the people here can be successful. What you should really fear is poverty. What's truly fearful is spending a miserable old age. If you're afraid of spending a miserable old age and afraid of poverty, you have to have courage and think about becoming rich. And this message that you're going to be rich with others must be shared with people around you with forcefulness and courage. There are many people who have lost hope. When there is no hope, the only hope is to have hope. If there are people here today in despair, have hope and dream about becoming successful. We don't believe in something because it's 100% possible. When you're in a cave of despair, there's nothing but darkness all around. But if there's a tiny light at the entrance of the cave, you have to go toward it and come out of the cave. Of course, even if you trip on a rock and fall down, and your knee is bleeding all over the place, you must still go toward hope, one step at a time. Today, I hope that this Success Academy is the place where you will discover hope and where you'll take your first step in your journey towards it.